Hi everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to add a graphical element to the top of a D2L homepage. This is a useful feature. It allows students to identify which course they're in at a glance because there's a graphic in the header that is unique to the course. So if you want to go ahead and use this feature, I'll show you how to do it with a custom homepage. Follow me. So here we are at my sandbox course, and what you've got to do to make this happen is click your Edit Course button, and then you go to Home Pages. And when you're at the home page, the first thing to do is make a new widget. Okay, so you click the Widget tab. There's already some widgets that are installed in a course right now, but you're going to have to make a new one. So you click the Create Widget button. Here you can call the widget anything you want. Let's say you were doing ABC, your course was ABC 123 Introduction to the Alphabet. Okay, the description doesn't really matter. The content. Now at this point, what you want to do here is upload your graphical image. So you will have already found your image by going somewhere on the internet, or maybe it's an image you already have or something like that, and then editing it in a graphics program such that you have it ready to go. But you basically click the Insert Image button, you navigate, you click Upload, and then you navigate to something. I've got this one here. Select Open and then Add. Give it some alt text. And okay, and so there's your image. And then I'm going to go off the screen here and click the Save and Close button. Okay, so now you've got that new widget called ABC 123 Introduction to the Alphabet, right? So you want to go back to the Home Pages tab, and here you want to create a new home page. There's the one that's already installed by default into your course called the Faculty of Engineering and Applied Science homepage, but you're going to have to make a custom one. So create a new one and give it a name. Okay, and the description again doesn't really matter. It's not shown to students. You want to be widget based, of course. I chose to take the header, the homepage header out because I have the name of the course in my image. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. So anyway, I'm going to take the header out. And the layout, you want to change the layout. The layout you want to choose is this one here. It's called Large Left Panel. Basically, in this panel right here, you're going to install the image, and then you put the other widgets into these two panels. This panel you can leave empty, and it actually won't show. When it's empty, it's disappeared. So that's useful. So click Update. Now you've got to basically drag and drop your widgets into the spots. First, let's start with our custom widget. We're going to put it in the top panel. So add a widget, and it was called ABC 123. Okay, so adding a widget goes in there. That's not exactly how it will be displayed to students. I'll show you in a minute. Then you're going to add widgets here. Now you can add the widgets just basically to mimic what you see on the Faculty of Engineering homepage. The first thing they had is news. Then they had my courses, my programs, and then they had the tweets from the Engineering Student Services. I believe that's how they had it. Now you can order it correctly, okay, because when I selected them, I guess it just put them in alphabetical order. But news comes first, courses, programs, and the tweets. Perfect. Now over here, we'll add the widgets into this right side panel. And over there, I'm just going to do this by memory. I think it was calendar. What else? I'm going to look through here. Oh yeah, the role switch was also there. And the My Resources was there. Okay, I think those are the three major ones. Yeah, and that's exactly the order I would like them in. Okay, so when you've got this done, I'm going to go off the screen here, and I'm going to click the just below Save and Close. Oh, before I leave, there's nothing in this bottom widget. You can add something if you like, but I'm leaving it blank. So Save and Close. Okay, so there's your home page. You've got to select it as the active home page. So that's right here in this little drop down. Switch over to ABC 123 and click Apply. Okay, now if you go visit your course by either clicking on Course Home or by clicking here, you'll see that it's changed. Bingo. Now I've got a nice image right here in this top panel of the widget. I could have made it go a little bit more across the screen too. But anyway, I've got the course title here. You could also put some text on your image, whatever you'd like. This is done in the image editing, in an image editor. Whatever you put here is in the image editor. And here are your panels. Okay, as we mentioned before, the news is here, the calendar's over here, the My Resources, the role switch, and then underneath the news you've got your My Courses, your My Programs, and then your tweets by the Engineering Student Services. So if you like that, if you like having a graphical element on the front page of your course so that students can differentiate quickly from course to course when they arrive at the home page, then that's the way to do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye-bye.